Hello friends, welcome to my very first video on Java JSP servlets. Today I am going to discuss about web applications. In a web application, we have a client and the client is going to access the web application. The client uses the browser to access the web application. Then the server. We have the server machine. We send request and for the request we get the responses. These requests are HTTP requests and the responses are also HTTP responses. Many number of clients can communicate with the server simultaneously, sending and receiving requests and responses. That can be defined as an advantage of web applications. This server might be the local host as well. To communicate between this client and the server, we should have protocols. Let's see how the client do his communication. Here we have the client and the client has the browser. Inside the browser, client has the URL. Here is our server. As I said previously, in order to communicate in between the client and the server, we should have protocols. Inside the protocol, we have IP address, port and the application name. Our protocol is HTTP and the IP address is the address that we are used in the server. If it is a HTTP request, we use port 80 and then the application name. Server can be defined as a process and it is running and also listening one or more ports. Within the client, first we develop the application. Then we compile the application. Then we build the application. At the end of the build process, we create the WAR file and deploy the application to the server. Then we start the server and run the application. Now we have to access the service using the browser. At the end, the created WAR file is deployed in the server. This is the end of today's video about web applications. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.